flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? All of Delaware and portions of the eastern shore of Maryland. When? From Sunday morning through Sunday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Portions of Delmarva saw anywhere from 2 to 5 plus inches of rain over the past 24 hours. Another 1 to 2 inches are expected, with locally higher amounts possible. Some small stream flooding has been observed already. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The following river states data is for